Hey everyone! Today I want to share something that I wish I had known earlier in my job search journey, a tool that could have saved me so much time, guesswork, and even rejection. If you've ever submitted dozens of applications without hearing back or spent hours tweaking your resume only to feel unsure if it's even effective, this video is for you. I'll be showing you how to use Jobscan, a resume optimization platform that compares your resume against a job description and tells you exactly what to improve. It's simple but powerful. I'll walk you through how to use it, what to expect, and I'll share my honest thoughts on whether it's worth it. If you want to follow along, I've added my affiliate link to Jobscan in the description below. Using it won't cost you anything extra, but it does support my channel, so thank you in advance if you decide to sign up through that link. Let's dive in. So what is Jobscan, really? Well, it's like a personal career coach, but instead of vague advice, it gives you data-backed suggestions based on how applicant tracking systems, ATS, read your resume. This is huge because most companies use ATS to filter applications before a human ever sees them. If your resume doesn't contain the right keywords or formatting, it may never even reach a recruiter. That's where Jobscan comes in. When you click the link in the description, it'll take you to the Jobscan homepage. From there, you can click Scan Your Resume to begin. You'll need two things, your resume and a job description you want to apply for. Now, one thing I really appreciate is how easy this process is. You don't have to be tech-savvy. You just upload your resume, PDF or Word format, and paste in the job description. That's it. Then you hit Scan and the system analyzes everything. The scan usually takes less than a minute, and after that, you'll get a full breakdown of how well your resume matches the job. But to see the results, you'll need to sign up for a free Jobscan account. You can create one using Google or email. It's quick and you only need to do it once. Once you're in, this is where the magic happens. Jobscan shows you your match rate, which is a percentage score showing how closely your resume aligns with the job. Most people are surprised at how low their score is at first. I was too. But that's where you start learning. The platform breaks everything down into sections. ATS Tips tells you if there's anything in your formatting or structure that could confuse an applicant tracking system. Hard Skills compares the skills mentioned in the job post with what's in your resume. Soft Skills looks for traits like communication or leadership and checks if you've demonstrated them. Recruiter Tips, suggestions based on what recruiters typically look for. Formatting, word count, measurable results. Helps you make your resume clean, professional, and results-oriented. Cover letter suggestions. If you include a cover letter, it can help align it with the job post too. At this point, you'll probably want to update your resume based on those tips. Once you've done that, you can come back and rescan. This is something I highly recommend doing for every job you apply for. I know it might sound like extra work, but think about it. What's more frustrating, editing your resume a few times or not hearing back after applying to 20 jobs? Now, I have to be honest, while the first 5 scans are free, most of the deeper features are behind a paywall. The premium plan starts at about $50 a month, or $30 a month if billed quarterly. They also offer a 2-week free trial, which I think is perfect if you're actively job hunting. And honestly, after trying the free version, I didn't think twice about upgrading. Getting one interview that leads to a job can pay for the subscription many times over. That peace of mind, knowing my resume is in the best possible shape, is worth every penny to me. But Jobscan isn't just about resumes. Another standout feature is their LinkedIn optimization scan. If you're someone who's applying through LinkedIn or using it for networking, this tool is gold. Here's how it works. Export your LinkedIn profile as a PDF. Upload it to Jobscan. Add job descriptions you're interested in. Then Jobscan will tell you what you're missing, just like it does with your resume. It could be missing keywords, unclear job titles, or vague summaries. The scan helps you polish your LinkedIn profile so that recruiters can find you and be impressed when they do. Another underrated feature is the job tracker. This is where you can log every job you've applied to, schedule interviews, and keep track of your progress. Especially when you're applying to multiple roles, it's easy to forget where you are in the process. Having everything in one place really helps reduce that stress. Of course, no tool is perfect. I wish more features were available in the free version, and I do think the UI could feel a bit more modern. But honestly, those are small issues compared to the value this platform delivers. So just to recap, sign up for a free account using the link below. Upload your resume and a job description. Review the scan results and make improvements. Rescan to see how your match rate improves. Repeat for every job you apply to, optional. Use the LinkedIn and job tracker tools for even more impact. That's really it. If you're serious about landing a job, and especially if you're aiming for competitive roles, Jobscan is one of the best tools out there to help you stand out. I hope this video helped you feel a bit more confident and a bit more equipped in your job search. If it did, please leave a like and consider subscribing. I post content regularly to help you grow in your career and life. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.